Never give up, you can pull through. And the magic blocks are right there too. Transform now, save the day. Transform now, what's the name? Magic blocks. Come and join the, come and join the, come and join the fun. Get this rumble on the double, put it on the run. Magic blocks unite, help to make things right. Lend a hand to the people of Playtown. Come and join the, come and join the, come and join the fun. Get this rumble on the double, put it on the run. Magic blocks unite, help to make things right. Lend a hand to the people of Playtown. Get ready to run. Magic blocks.
Repairing the water pipe. It's so cold out. I don't mind though.
Hurry up. Your mom's waiting for us at the hairdresser. She's probably starving.
Yeah. Huh? Dad, you're the one that's starving. Oh.
Well, you look hungry too. Come on, we'll pick up Mom and go eat.
Great.
Hi.
Dad, is this really Mom's new hairstyle?
I guess so.
What are you two talking about?
Mom, your new hairstyle is special.
Ugh, it's awful. The hairdresser's water is out, which is why it looks like this.
No kidding. I don't know what happened, but if they can't fix it, I'll go bananas.
Hey, look at that.
Oh! Oh!
Let's go have a look. Here's the problem.
Dad, what is it?
It's been so cold out. The pipe water must have frozen. The pipes probably burst.
No wonder the water's out.
We can't leave it like this. We have to fix it as soon as possible. Let me see.
Dad, I'll ask Magic Blocks for help. Calling Dr. Pie, calling Dr. Pie. Dr. Pie, this is Danny. We need your help.
Roger that. Magic Blocks, get ready.
Hey? Where are they? There you are, Bobo. I see you. Huh? You're wrong, Lulu. I'm right behind you. Oh? Huh? How did I lose you? Huh? I win again. Hide and seek is tough. Get ready to roll. Magic Blocks, reporting.
Danny needs our help. Magic Blocks, let's go.
Strong, Lulu, go! Woo! Coco can do it! Get ready, get set! Magic blocks, problem solved! Let's go! Hi, Magic Blocks! Danny, what happened here? Why is there so much water? There's a problem with the pipes. The whole street's out of water, and it's leaking here.
I think the pipe burst.
Huh? I'll check it out. Lulu, we'll lend a hand.
Huh? That's the pipe that... We'll have to replace it with a new one.
No big deal. Leave it to us. Lulu, turn off the water. Gotcha. Time for strong Lulu. All right, I turned it off. Great work, Lulu. Come back. Coco, I'll change into a fire engine and we'll use the pump to get rid of the water.
Okay.
Lulu, drive over the crane and bring over the new pipe. Roger. Fire engine, transform. Hey. Hey. Ah. Crane transform! Huh. Strong release, go! Huh. I'm off. Sounds good. Oh.
Bobo, he can start pumping water.
Got it.
Wow, you guys are amazing. The water's already gone.
Make way for the new pipe. Well done, Lulu. Coco, let's take out the old one. Bobo, can I put down the new pipe? Of course. Lulu, the crane claw is steady. Pull up. Coco, test out the water.
Got it. Oh, it's fixed.
Let's move it.
Okay.
We did it.
We have water again. Couldn't have done it without you, Magic Blocks.
I knew you could do it. Leave the problems to us. Magic Blocks, problem solved.
All better. I'm so hungry. Let's go eat.
But, darling, your hair.
Oh my, I almost forgot.
No rush. We'll wait.